Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Now we'll start with the prayer. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Patami Samskritam Nityam Vadami Samskritam Sada Dhyayami Samskritam Samyak Vande Samskrita Mataram Vande Samskrita Mataram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This session is for Samskritam, Ashtama Vargaha, Ruchira Tritiyo Bhagaha, Vitiyaha Pataha, Bilasya Vani Kadapi Mena Shruta. Patasya Parichayaha, Prasuta Pataha, Panchatantram iti Suprasiddhasya, Samskrita Katha Grantasya, Tritiya Tantrat, Kakolu Kiyam ityasmat Sankalitaha Asi. Panchatantrasya Lekakaha, Vishnu Sharma Asi. अस्मिन् ग्रन्थे पञ्चखण्डाः सन्ति। एते खण्डाः एव तन्त्राणि इति उच्यन्ते। अयं ग्रन्थः गद्य पद्य ग्रन्थः अस्ति। अस्य ग्रन्थस्य कथानां पात्राणि मुख्यतः पशुपक्षिणः सन्ति। Introduction of the lesson. This lesson, Bilasya Vani Kadapi Mena Shruta, is extracted from the famous Sanskrit grantha Panchatantram, exactly from the third part named Kakolu Kiyam. The author of the Panchatantram is Vishnu Sharma. There are 5 chapters and the grantha is in the form of prose and poetry. Animals and birds are main characters of these stories. For a better and easy understanding, we'll brief a story first, then we'll proceed with the content of the lesson. Karanakaraha was a lion who lived in a forest. One day he could not prey upon a single animal after wandering around the jungle in search of food. It was almost sunset and the lion started returning in spite of being very hungry. On his way he saw a big cave and thought to himself, "It is for sure that some animal must be living in this big cave. Such a nice cave cannot be uninhabited. At sunset, whatever the animal lives here is bound to return. I shall hide inside the cave and wait for my dinner to arrive." The cave was the home to a jackal named Dadipuchaha, who arrived a while after the lion had hidden himself inside. While entering, he noticed the footprints of the lion leading into the cave, but could not find it coming out. He thought, if a lion is indeed entered, I'll be dead as soon as I entered. But how can I be sure? There is no reason for me to stay away from my home if there is no lion inside. I must find out a way to confirm if the lion is still inside. The jackal thought of a plan and, standing in front of the cave, began to shout, "Hello cave, hello cave, can I come inside?" For some moment he was silent and shouted again, "Hello cave, hello cave, have you forgotten our deal of all these years? I always wait for your reply before I enter. Why are you silent today? Then I shall go to some other cave if you don't reply." On hearing this, the lion thought, "The cave must reply to the jackal when he returns at sunset. It is because I am inside that the cave is not replying today. I must invite on behalf of the cave, or the jackal will go away." So the lion replied from inside the cave, "Hello jackal, you may come. It is safe inside." The reply was even more frightening due to the echo from the walls of the cave. When the jackal came to know that the lion was waiting for him to enter and make a meal out of him, he ran off as fast as he could and saved himself. Moral of the story is, presence of mind is the best weapon to protect oneself in each and every sphere of life. कस्मिंश्चित् वने खरनकरः नाम सिंहः प्रतिवसति स्म. सः कदाचित् इतस्ततः परिभ्रमन् क्षुधातः न किञ्चिदपि आहारं प्राप्तवान्. शब्दार्थः: कस्मिंश्चित् वने, in a forest, नाम, named, सिंहः, lion, प्रतिवसति स्म, lived, सः, he, कदाचित्, sometime or once, इतस्ततः, here and there, परिभ्रमन्, by roaming, क्षुधातः, hungry, Na, no. Kinchidapi, even a little amount. Aharam, food. Praptavan, got. Kasminshit vane, Kharanakaraha nama, Simhaha prativasati sma. A lion named Kharanakaraha lived in a forest. Kadachit itasataha paribhraman kshudataha na kinchidapi aharam praptavan. Once the lion wandered here and there for food and became hungry, but he didn't get even a bite of prey. ततः एका महतीं गुहां दृष्ट्वा सः अचिन्तयत् नूनम् एतस्यां गुहायां रात्रौ कोऽपि जीवः आगच्छति अतः निगूढो भूत्वा तिष्ठामि इति। शब्दार्थाः ततः देन् सूर्यास्तसमये at the time of sunset एका महतीं a big गुहां cave दृष्ट्वा by seeing अचिन्तयत् thought नूनं definitely रात्रौ in the night कोऽपि जीवः someone or some animal agachati come atah so atraiva atra plus eva here itself nigudho hidden bhutva became tishtami stay or wait iti as tata suryasa samaye eka mahatim guham drishtva saha achintayat. Then at the time of sunset, by seeing a big cave, the lion thought himself as नूनम् एतस्यां गुहायां रात्रौ कोऽपि जीवः आगच्छति. Definitely an animal belonged to this cave must come in the night. अतः अत्रैव निगूढो भूत्वा तिष्ठामि इति. So I shall be hidden here itself. एतस्मिन् अन्तरे गुहायाः स्वामी दधिपुच्छः नामकः शृगालः समागच्छत्. स च यावत् पश्यति तावत् सिंहपद्धतिः गुहायां प्रविष्टा दृश्यते न च बहिरागता. शब्दार्थाः एतस्मिन् अन्तरे मीन्वैल् गुहायाः केव्स् स्वामी ओनर् नामकः नेम्ड् शृगालः जाकल् समागच्छत् केम् च अन् यावत् as long तावत् until आगच्छति कम्. सिंहपद्धतिः footprints गुहायां in the cave प्रविष्टा entered दृश्यते seen बहिरागता comes out पश्यति seen or noticed. एतस्मिन् अन्तरे गुहायाः स्वामी दधिपुच्छः नामकः शृगालः समागच्छत्. Meanwhile, the owner of the cave named Dadipuchchaha came. स च यावत् पश्यति तावत् सिंहपद्धतिः गुहायां प्रविष्टा दृश्यते न च बहिरागता. He noticed the footprints of the lion only leading to the cave, but not the footprints coming out. शृगालः अचिन्तयत् अहो विनष्टोऽस्मि नूनम् अस्मिन् बिले सिंहः अस्ति इति तर्कयामि. तत्किं करवाणि एवं विचिन्त्य दूरस्थः रवं कर्तुम् आरब्धः. भो बिल किं न स्मरसि यन्मया त्वया सह समयः कृतोऽसि यत् यदा अहं बाह्यतः प्रत्यागमिष्यामि तदा त्वं माम् आकारयिष्यसि. यदि त्वं मां न आह्वयसि तर्हि अहं द्वितीयं बिलं यास्यामि इति. I'll repeat. शृगालः अचिन्तयत् अहो विनष्टोऽस्मि नूनम् अस्मिन् बिले सिंहः अस्ति इति तर्कयामि. तत्किं करवाणि एवं विचिन्त्य दूरस्थः रवं कर्तुम् आरब्धः. भो बिल किं न स्मरसि यन्मया त्वया सह समयः कृतोऽसि यत् यदा अहं बाह्यतः प्रत्यागमिष्यामि तदा त्वं माम् आकारयिष्यसि. यदि त्वं मां न आह्वयसि तर्हि अहं द्वितीयं बिलं यास्यामि इति. शब्दार्थः अचिन्तयत् ताट् अहो अलास् विनष्टोऽस्मि ऐ एम् डेड्. अस्मिन् बिले इन् दिस् केव् तर्कयामि ऐ थिङ्क् किं वाट् करवाणि should be done एवं in this manner. दूरस्थः at a distance. रवं noise. कर्तुम् आरब्धः started making. भो बिल हे cave किं न don't you स्मरसि remember यत् that मया by me त्वया सह with you समयः deal or condition कृतः or कृतो done यदा when आह्वयसि call बाह्यतः from outside प्रत्यागमिष्यति तदा then त्वं you मां me आकारयिष्यसि you will call यदि if तर्हि then द्वितीयं another यास्यामि reach or go. Meaning of the paragraph. Shrigalah achintayat. Jackal thought himself, Aho vinashtosmi. Alas, I'm dead. Noonam asmin bile. Simhaha asti iti tarkayami. I think definitely there is a lion in this cave. Tatkim karavani. What to do? Evam vichya durastaha ravam kartum araddaha. By thinking in this way, Jackal started making a noise at a distance. Bhobila, kim na smarasi? Hey cave, don't you remember? Yanmaya tvaya saha samayaha kratosi, that there is a deal between you and me. Yat yada aham bahyataha pratyagamishyami, tada tvam mam akarayishyasi. That when I'll return from outside, you should receive me. Yadi tvam mam na ahvayasi, tarhi aham dvitiyam bilam yasyami iti. If you are not calling me, then I'll go to some other cave. I'll repeat the paragraph. Jackal thought himself, Alas, I'm dead. I think definitely there is a lion in this cave. By thinking in this way, Jackal started making a noise at a distance. Hey cave, don't you remember? That there is a deal between you and me. That when I'll return from outside, you should receive me. If you are not calling me, then I'll go to some other cave. अथ एतत् श्रुत्वा सिंहः अचिन्तयत् नूनमेषा गुहा स्वामिनः सदा समाह्वानं करोति परन्तु मद्भयात् न किञ्चिद् वदति अथवा साद्विदम् उच्यते भयसन्त्रस्य मनसां हस्तपादादिकाः क्रियाः प्रवर्तन्ते न वाणी च वेपतुश्चादिको भवेत्. I'll repeat. अथ एतत् श्रुत्वा सिंहः अचिन्तयत् नूनमेषा गुहा स्वामिनः सदा समाह्वानं करोति परन्तु मद्भयात् न किञ्चिद् वदति अथवा साद्विदम् उच्यते भयसन्त्रस्य मनसां हस्तपादादिकाः क्रियाः प्रवर्तन्ते न वाणी च वेपतुश्चादिको भवेत्. शब्दार्थः अथ then एतत् श्रुत्वा after hearing this स्वामिनः owners sada always samahvanam call karoti doing parantu but madbhayat scared of me vadati talking uchyate said sadhuhu great people bhayasantrasya manasam people who are frightened hastapadadikaha the hands and legs respectively kriyaha activities or tasks pravartante begin to or start vani words vepatuhu shivering adhikaha high vadati talking bhavet may come bhavet may become. अथ एतत् श्रुत्वा सिंहः अचिन्तयत् on hearing this the lion thought नूनमेषा गुहा स्वामिनः सदा समाह्वानं करोति. The cave must always reply to the jackal when he returns from outside. Nunamesha guha Swaminaha sada samahvanam karoti. The cave must always reply to the jackal when he returns from outside. Parantu mad bhayat na kinchid vadati. Since the cave is scared of me, today it is not even speaking a word. Athava sadvidam uchyate. It is said by the great people. Bhayasantrassa manasam hastapādādikā kriyāha pravartante na vāni ca vepatuschādiko bhavet. The hands, legs and utterances of the people who are frightened will not be active and the shivering will also be high. I'll repeat. On hearing this, the lion thought the cave must always reply to the jackal when he returns from outside. Since the cave is scared of me, today it is not even speaking a word. It is said by the great people, the hands, legs, and utterances of the people who are frightened will not be active, and the shivering will also be high.